PlayStation 3 has some pretty brilliant technology inside. At its core is a powerful microprocessor, the Cell Broadband Engine. Sounds impressive, but what does it mean? Bigger worlds for one thing. By using parallel processing, the Cell Broadband Engine does more of everything at the same time to create worlds that are massive and frighteningly real. The Cell Broadband Engine can render 60 frames per second of high-definition graphics with lighting, effects, and detail like you've never seen before. But gorgeous graphics are only part of making a game lifelike. Physics, the way things behave, are just as important. And the Cell Broadband is smart enough to make things behave in amazingly realistic ways. It can also make your enemies smarter. Parallel processing means foes with better artificial intelligence and a tougher challenge for you. There's another amazing technology inside PlayStation 3, Blu-ray. Blu-ray is a huge leap forward, a next-generation format. It allows for the highest definition picture quality and 7.1 channel surround sound. But more importantly, Blu-ray gives game developers a greater canvas so they can create games that are bigger, fresher, and more fun. And a built-in hard drive means your PlayStation 3 has plenty of storage for games, downloads, and more. Those are the brilliant guts inside the PlayStation 3. Let's take a look at PlayStation 3's controller. It looks pretty familiar, but it's been subtly rethought, redesigned. There's Bluetooth wireless, so you can move freely, untied from cords. Then we made one more improvement, motion sensing. You move the controller, you move in the game, in every direction, left, right, up, down, push, pull. The 6-axis feels what you're doing, translates that into action, be it quick and brutal, or slow and stealthy, so that gameplay becomes a natural extension of your body. That's the 6-axis. PlayStation 3 was born to go online. It has Wi-Fi built right in. First stop, the PlayStation Store. Here you'll find a growing library of PlayStation Network games, exclusive titles you won't find anywhere else, from puzzles to shooters. You can even download full games. It's also your place for demos, high-definition trailers, and add-ons to make the games you already have bigger and better. Plus, relive those PS1 classics from back in the day. You'll find it all at the PlayStation Store. If you want to keep in touch with your friends, PlayStation 3 makes it fun. You can text, voice, or with the PlayStation Eye USB camera, video chat. But you can do more than just talk. Send a game invite and enter multiplayer online battles where friends become enemies. Take on players from all over without paying a membership fee. And coming very soon, Home, a revolutionary interactive community where you can hang out, play, and create your own space. Even build a trophy room to show off your skills. The PlayStation Network, only on PlayStation 3. PlayStation 3 is a revolutionary game machine, but it's a lot more than that. For one thing, it's a Blu-ray movie player. Blu-ray movies give you the highest definition picture and theater quality sound. You'll feel like you're right in the action. There are hundreds of movies and TV shows on Blu-ray disc, and more coming out all the time. But there's a lot more fun than movies. PlayStation 3 is a perfect hub for all your digital stuff, like photos, music, and videos. Just plug in a compact flash card, SD memory card, or memory stick duo, and save it to your internal hard drive. Now you're ready to show off your digital pictures. PlayStation 3 slideshow and photo albums will make your memories come alive. Music? Load a track and fire up the visual player. Looks as good as it sounds. You can watch home videos or download exclusives from the PlayStation Store. And if you have a PSP system, you can even access your PlayStation 3's hard drive online using Remote Play, so your digital stuff is never far. PlayStation 3, it's way more than games.